DC.
I think direct economy.
You have to set everything.
And what is the altitude?
Your mic doesn't put it more than
And what is the VR?
check there. No, that is not VR.
I think yeah.
Heading to the current heading.
I think flaps to
Fine. Heading to the current heading. Auto brakes on RTO.
Auto brakes RTO. Engine stable. Takeoff thrust set.
V1. Rotate.
Glide slope.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Don't use rudder in this aircraft.
Yeah.
Take this off. Go to 20. Maintain 15-degree pitch position. Like 30-40 degree. Just hold there, hold there, hold there, hold there. Keep maintaining there. This one. And the aircraft speed gain. Nose down, nose down, nose down. Nose push down. Keep the aircraft left little. Left, left, left. Turn left.
2,500. Main angle.
On heading 230 straight up. to go with the ILS approach.
Okay, ILS. A lot of enthusiasts might come here. So is this running on FSX or no?
Lockheed Martin.
Acha, Lockheed Martin.
FSX doesn't have a feature which is without instrument.
Okay.
It used to be earlier,
Hmm.
not now.
So even because for better realism, I think FS 2020 would be
See, for flying we don't require scenery.
okay.
The genuine factor is what about your airport, runway, and the taxi base?
Correct.
You required more authentic than the sceneries.
Absolutely.
Okay, when you fly at home, you want sceneries.
Yeah.
Because over there you have a small screen or maybe maximum 55.
Correct.
Here we have to go 180. You cannot open a whole scenery.
Right. Because then even the graphics
See,
requirements.
graphic is there. We are running on the higher end computers.
Mhm.
But even though to make it 180, your graphic card is not so much good also.
Correct.
Whatever you buy the highest one also, it cannot open.
Right.
For a smaller single screen, you can open as much you can. That should be below 10,000.
Acha, हाँ, below 10,000.
We are below 10,000. 5,000.
Okay.
Airbus, you don't have to do anything.
Yeah, it's the fly-by-wire system. No, it's very easy and convenient.
So tell me who introduced fly-by-wire?
Okay, I'm not aware of that.
Which is good company, Airbus or Boeing?
So from a safety standpoint, I believe Airbus would be a more safer alternative because even if you want to crash, it will not.
What about German wing,
German thing.
which was headed into the mountain? Which aircraft it was?
It was Airbus.
And who did that literally? The pilot.
Yeah.
So you said that it cannot
So
go
it
even
has,
the
I
pilot
think,
was-
a lot of stall protection, also angle of attack and all. But that was like literally went
You
into
know
a
what
mountain.
the problem is in India?
Yeah.
Airbus, if you will ask us as an aviation guy,
Mhm.
if you'll ask me about the Airbus, I will never want to take it as Airbus. I will never want to choose it.
Okay.
Reason is not about safety, okay? You are talking about safety, right?
Yes.
Name a single aircraft of an Airbus which has ruled the sky for 30 years. Forget 30 years, 20 years.
None.
Tell me a Boeing aircraft which has not flown 20 years in the sky.
You're right. Yeah.
So which
747
safety is more
there.
better, Airbus or the Boeing?
So the जितना ज़्यादा अभी चलेगा उतना ज़्यादा crashes तो होंगी. So
Do you know 737 when it was launched in which year?
I think in 70s,
Which year we are standing?
2020.
Still running?
Yes. 50 years at least.
50 years. So what safety you want from them?
Correct.
They had fulfilled your dream
Correct.
of flying, right?
That is completely manual. So
So it's not about completely manual. For the taste what you guys are enjoying on Airbus, which is called fly-by-wire technology, which was introduced by Boeing only in 1976 by 777.
okay.
Do you know that? 777 is fly-by-wire.
I was not aware.
Yeah. So you Google it one time. So Airbus, they are just copy machine of Boeing.
Okay.
Okay. Now 350 come to. Okay.
Yeah.
A350. Which body they use?
So white body, yeah.
No, wide body. But what material they make the body?
I think aluminum.
No. Aluminum is chucked long back.
Okay.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. Oh yeah. Correct.
Who brought that into the aviation industry?
Boeing. So you have been into this.
I am 737 type rated.
Oh wow. How's your experience now? Teaching youngsters who are like very
See,
passionate about
I'm not
aviation?
teaching. Actually, I was with Jet.
Okay. Jet.
Once it is shut down, I'm not pursuing in India. So I'm looking for an abroad. And the situation right now in abroad, I want to get into Emirates Etihad and like that.
Okay.
So I'm just waiting for a better opportunity to come up. I don't want to get into any Indian airline anymore.
Okay.
So I got my 4,000 experience. Why should I will waste it over here right now
Wow.
anymore? So sometimes shutting airline is good for pilot also. So the people, those who cry always that it is bad for the pilot, no, it is not. So imagine a guy who joined Go Air within 1 year and the Go Air shut down. He will be most happy because he has to flown 5 years bounded with Go Airways. Now he is clear to fly anywhere. So you can join Emirates, Etihad, Qatar and anywhere. Right? So he has not wasted 4 more years. So he will be happy to get into it. The people, those who are old people, they are only worried about that.
Ah.
Because they are on retirement age and all that. And that's why they are worried.
Right.
So take it right turn and let's go towards the palm. Put on heading 300. So it's not about safety. See, I'll tell you one thing. You're saying Airbus is a very good safety aircraft. Tell me, if your hydraulical or electrical failure happen on Airbus, what will happen?
Yeah, it will shut down. and all.
So what will happen?
So I think the more automated something becomes, you rely more on machines. So
Yeah.
in case of one thing fails, then everything can fail. There's a
So
possibility.
in Airbus, the system is if your electrical fails, nothing will work.
Yeah, correct. Hydraulic
Okay.
won't be. Yeah,
It won't be working.
correct.
Okay. And then the passenger have to pray with the God. Finish. Final.
Right.
You can't do anything. But in Boeing, unless you have a chance to fly it manually.
Yeah, I've seen, because then the muscle strength and all you
Yes.
can utilize.
And Airbus pilot can be a very good pilot in technical term, I can say.
Okay.
Boeing, you cannot beat them on manual flying. At any age, at any time. Because they know the actual weight of the aircraft.
Right.
With passenger, with fuel, with everything, they are holding it with their hand.
Correct.
In Airbus, even at takeoff time or landing time, your joystick is calibrated with computer.
Right.
Okay, so what you give the input, the computer analyze it, and it see the aircraft and say no, it is more. You have to go down, and it literally push you back
Right.
to maintain that, right? So there, your skill is not counted. Their computer skill is counted. So
Okay.
you remember just recently what happened in the mid-air Airbus crisis? In December, something happened in India, right?
Yeah, the
All-
Indigo crisis.
No, not Indigo
Okay.
crisis. All airline crisis. Because of whom?
Airbus. I think.
Worldwide. Worldwide.
Acha, the Airbus systems had a, I think, glitch or something.
And
in the
here,
bug.
here the Indian media said what? Airline issue, pilot issue, this
Yeah.
issue, that issue.
Correct.
It was not true. It was an airline. It was an Airbus glitch.
Hmm.
Mid-air software issues happened. Good touch, God, touch wood was there. Nothing happened. Okay, in the worldwide, but it was a very big major glitch
Glitch.
which came into the Airbus. Okay, but they cannot announce it to worldwide. People will be panic and all that. Currently in India, whatever airline is carrying with Airbus, 30% of their fleets are on ground. You know, because of engine.
Yeah, there's a lot of engine issues and.
Whitney. So that's what Malia was crying. That time the people were saying, chore, chore.
Hmm.
When he said, ki because of Pratt Whitney, my airline gone down.
Correct.
Nobody was believing. Now Pratt and Whitney, how many airlines they have shut in India? You know, not only Kingfisher.
Right.
It's Go Air.
Go Air.
It's Kingfisher.
Jet Airways, I think.
And it is also the airline which is suffering is a SpiceJet also. So it's a
Okay.
PWD engine also.
Right.
So it is not about the air person who's doing it. It is about the background where the people don't know about things.
People don't have that level of perception.
Yeah, so that's why I put on 340 heading. So the people don't understand because see Ahmedabad mein jab incident hua, what happens? People sitting on a TV channel, news channel, and they're talking bullshit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pilot
So you
and-
came from Airbus, right?
Yeah.
You have never been into Boeing cockpit. Can you shut this switch?
It will shut the electrical switch.
Do it. Can you do it?
You have to pull it and.
Yeah. So the same switch is in fuel cutoff.
Right.
Do you think it will automatically cut off?
No.
What they were bullshitting over there?
You're right.
It gone off by itself. How this will go off by itself?
Right.
So those who have never sat in a cockpit, they are talking about something which they don't know.
Hey, something happened, I think, a couple of weeks back also, na? I think it was 777.
Yeah.
I think fuel switch got cut off, I think.
बस 777 में ऐसा सेम स्विच है. आप कितना भी मारो बंद नहीं होएगा वो.
Correct.
नहीं हो सकता है वो बंद. आप कितना भी, मैं तो इतना फोर्स से मार रहा हूँ, नहीं बंद हो रहा
नहीं
है.
बंद हो रहा है.
कैसा बंद हो जाएगा? So either there is a problem with the technical team what you have. Okay. हमारे यहाँ प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना कि हम तो एक तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग नहीं करते. दूसरा, अगर हमने जो टेक्नीशियंस रखे भी हैं तो हमको थर्ड पार्टी हायर नहीं करना है. हमको अपने लोगों को 4-5 महीने भेज के ट्रेनिंग करने के बाद हमको उनको PhD करवाना होता है एम्प्लॉयमेंट बचाने के लिए, क्योंकि एक एक्सपैक्ट को लेके आओगे, ज़्यादा सैलरी देना होगा, ज़्यादा ये करना, एंड दे नेवर हायर पीपल. So because of that, all these things happens. If this switch is a faulty, you know it is faulty. But if you are aware of that thing, how it is faulty or not.
Correct. You to know inside and out.
अभी मैं ये एरोप्लेन चला के आ रहा हूँ, अगर इसमें मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा,
So you'll write it.
I
in the
will
logbook,
write it and I
yeah.
will give it to you, right?
Correct.
Whose job is to do that?
The pilot.
Pilot job.
नहीं, to write it तो pilot का, but
हाँ, तो उसके बाद का जॉब किसका है?
technician.
ठीक है?
Ground staff.
अहमदाबाद में जो एयरक्राफ्ट का इंसिडेंट हुआ, वो फ्लाई करके कहाँ से आया था?
I think it came from Delhi.
दिल्ली.
हाँ.
उसका कोई सीक्वेंस था, कोई कंप्लेन था?
नहीं.
नहीं था, right? When the aircraft fly back, the engineer sign off all checklist.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. He have to sign it, and he have to give that fit for fly. Before that, the aircraft will not move.
Correct.
Because as a pilot, I know how to fly the machine. I don't know how the machine is working. If I will face the problem, I will highlight it. Otherwise, I don't know. Okay. Physically, I'm not an engineer.
Right.
My work is what I will do. His work is what he will do. Second part, when everything has happened, incident happened, how many inquiry people or the people who have caught the engineer and spoke to him?
Right. Most of the people were saying कि pilot ने ही shut down कर दिया and all of that.
पायलट शट डाउन करेगा.
But then it was cool.
मैं तो आपको अभी भी बैठ के बोल रहा हूँ, पायलट मिड एयर भी इसको शट डाउन करेगा. नाउ टेल मी व्हाई.
Why?
बिकॉज यू डोंट नो, राइट? बोइंग का प्रोसेस है, अगर आपका इंजन फेल होता है, एंड बोइंग इज ओनली द कंपनी टिल नाउ, आफ्टर 315 एयरबस दे हैव ब्रेड दैट थिंग्स टू देयर एयरबस. अदरवाइज बिफोर देन दैट, अगर एयरबस में इंजन फेलियर होता है, यू कैन नॉट इग्नाइट द इंजन मिड एयर.
Okay.
आपको वो इंजन शट करके इमरजेंसी लैंडिंग करना है. यू कैन नॉट रीइग्नाइट. In Boeing, you have a procedure where you can try the engine to reignite 3 times.
I think when if the engine
और जब आपको कोई इंजन स्टार्ट करना होता है, उस टाइम आपको फ्यूल स्विच बंद करना ही करना है. तो अहमदाबाद में जब वो टेक ऑफ करके उनका पावर गया है, तो उनको रीइग्नाइट करना है इंजन. तो
If it
रीइग्नाइट
is-
करने के लिए उनको शट डाउन करना ही करना है.
Correct. So if it is N1 is below 60, above 60, that will spool up automatically.
Yeah. तो वो तो 0 पे आ गया था.
Correct.
तो उसको तो वो बंद करके फ्यूल वापस ऑन करेगा.
Yeah.
तो उसने CDR में तो दिखाया है कि ऑफ हुआ और ऑन हुआ 1 मिनट के अंदर में. तो ही ट्राइड व्हाट ही इट इज एक्चुअल प्रोसेस.
Right.
बोइंग का इमरजेंसी प्रोसेस फॉलो किया, बट वो कितने लोगों को पता है?
Right.
अरे पायलट ने बंद कर दिया. अगर पायलट को मरना भी रहेगा, वो टेक ऑफ का टाइम ही क्यों चूज करेगा? कोई फैंटेसी है उसका? Right?
इतने लोगों को लेके क्यों मरेगा फिर?
चलो मरना भी था, रनवे पे दौड़ रहा, ले जाके वॉल में भी तो घुस सकता था ना.
हाँ.
दूसरे लोगों को क्यों मारेगा?
हाँ.
लॉजिक है ना.
Right.
ड्रीमलाइनर इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एडवांस्ड
Yeah.
एयरक्राफ्ट,
Correct.
राइट?
Yes.
आपको ये पता है कि ड्रीमलाइनर के कॉकपिट में कैमरा है?
Yes.
फुटेज क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो?
हाँ, that should survive. हाँ, correct.
क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो? अभी तो सारे एयरक्राफ्ट में कैमरा है.
हाँ, सब
क्यों नहीं दे
न्यूज़
रहे?
वाले ने तो ये उठाया भी नहीं है पॉइंट.
तो क्यों नहीं दे रहे? अरे तो इंजीनियर का पॉइंट तो किसी ने नहीं उठाया है अभी तक.
Correct.
कि इंजीनियर से क्वेश्चन क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
Right.
So there are a lot of things which is beyond you and me and everyone's.
Correct.
Yeah. Turn your heading and put it on 90. So देखो एक चीज़ बताता हूँ मैं आपको आज क्लियर. Let's put you in a corporate world में चलते हैं एक बार.
Heading 90 set. Yes.
Corporate world में चलते हैं एक बार. ठीक है? Aircraft cost, you know how much it is? Dreamliner.
Maybe 100, 200 crores.
Sorry?
नहीं, I'm not sure मतलब.
100 and 200 में ये नहीं आएगा. 737 नहीं आएगा.
Okay.
It's around 800 something.
Okay.
One aircraft. So do you think it is running in the sky without an insurance?
Of course not.
Of course not.
Yeah.
So if you buy an insurance and if you tell that this is my mistake, are you going to get the insurance?
Of course not. So they will put the blame on.
Pilot is alive. Is it pilot is alive?
So he will not be able to defend himself, of course.
Exactly. Captain Sully,
Hmm.
he saved the people. Airlines sue him.
Okay.
He was alive. He fought it and won the case.
Won the case. That is why he is regarded as a hero.
So both scenarios are available.
Correct.
You died, every blame is yours.
Right.
Simple.
So the surviving is also.
एक करोड़ ऐसे नहीं मिल जाएगा.
Correct.
तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, बहुत सारी. See, टेक्निकल टर्म्स में और ये एविएशन हिस्ट्री में आज नहीं, इतने सालों में पहली बार हुआ है कि दोनों इंजन सेम सेकंड, सेम मिनट एंड सेम टाइम पे शट डाउन हुआ है,
Hmm.
जो कि होता नहीं है,
Right.
जो कि होता नहीं, आज तक हुआ नहीं है. और वो भी वो एयरक्राफ्ट का जिसका हिस्ट्री बहुत अच्छा है. आज तक एक भी इंसिडेंट नहीं है अपार्ट फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद ड्रीम लाइनर. एक भी इंसिडेंट नहीं है. एंड हाउ मेनी इयर्स? मोर देन 15 years.
That was surprising actually.
So there are a lot of things, not only that. So go to your initial reference, page here, legs. So that's your initial fix.
Yeah.
There we have to get 2000 feet. So set it here 2000. Level change. Now go to the initial reference. So that's your ILS runway number. And this is the frequency
Can you do it
110.
VOR?
No, VR will be not here in the car. TFR. VR is not available anymore on updated airports.
Okay.
No more a VR
And
happening.
VFR is there. So VF.
Nobody does apart from ILS.
Okay.
It is mandatory now ILS. 1, 2, 3 stage.
Okay.
ILS Cat 1, Cat 2, Cat 3.
Can I try VFR? If it's fine.
I'll give you from 1000 feet.
Acha.
And I will see your caliber of flying Airbus or Boeing.
Okay.
Because that time Boeing become more mad.
Yeah.
Your this much pull will make the nose this much.
Yeah. This
So
is
I'll
very
give you
calibrated.
yeah,
Sure.
so I'll give you 1000 feet. So जितना minor करोगे उतना अच्छा
अच्छा
है.
better है.
So minor push and hold, minor pull and hold. That's it. What you have to do. So bring this on your map mode, so at least you can have better view.
Yeah.
Now set your ILS frequency. That's done. Now course is 120. Set here.
This one 20 set.
Press VR localizer.
Set.
Auto brakes onto.
Auto brakes to set.
Speed brake arm slightly up. That's it.
Bit on.
Use rudder only on the runway.
Okay.
So in bigger aircraft, either it is Airbus or a big body aircraft, you don't use rudder while you are turning and all. It will
In
spin
the
your
air.
nose more
Ah.
down.
It is only used to increase the drag, I think, in case
No, no.
वो जैसे Gimli glider was there.
It's about only to just correct your wind correction.
Wind correction for
Nose
crosswind.
joy जो होता है ना,
हाँ.
वहाँ पे करेक्शन के लिए टर्न में ये यूज कब करते हैं जब इट इज अ प्रोपेलर सिंगल इंजन एयरक्राफ्ट
Right.
लाइक सेस्ना वेस्ना होता है उसके लिए यूज
हाँ.
बिकॉज उसमें कोई टेक्नोलॉजी हाइड्रोलिक्स वगैरह नहीं है
Correct.
इट इज कनेक्टेड विद द वायर सो देयर यू यूज दैट ओके टेक फ्लैप्स ऑन 5 लिफ्ट अप 5 लेवल अप
One shot.
स्पीड 180
Lead 180
So waiting for ILS viewer to be captured. So he's flying next, right?
Yes.
So I'll give him evening time.
Wonderful.
So different scenarios.
So how is your experience here? Like,
See, it depends on you. What do you want to achieve things?
I just capture.
See, why I am sitting here, you will be worried. Okay, pilot हो गए यहाँ क्यों? So for us, if we sit at home for 2 months, we will forget many of the
Yes.
switches. So rather than sitting at home, we are
Practice
here
is
because at
important.
least we are into the same process every day.
Right.
So we, अभी आप मेरे से अगर कुछ पूछोगे ना कि ये स्विच कहाँ पे, तो मुझे ऐसा करके देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
हाँ.
I know where it is. Where is hydraulics? Where is your packs and all that? I know without watching. पर वो घर पे बैठ जाओगे भूल जाओगे. Press approach.
Those sets.
On. See, when you disengage autopilot, उसको अगर आप छोड़ दोगे ना, वो well calibrated रहता है.
Okay.
Until unless you are not touching
Touching
it.
the.
If you touched it, then it will show you what is going in.
Okay.
See, Airbus and Boeing are the same thing. No concept. Once you are in autopilot, it is same. Both
Yeah.
are same. Only thing is, here what we have is manual.
Right.
There you have all lights off.
हाँ. Right.
So it is same like 777.
So do you think this joystick is better, this handle is better, or the the
See, I'll tell you one
side
thing.
stick?
When some emergency will come, na,
हाँ.
where you have to fly the machine originally by your own way,
Right.
do you think a joystick will handle the weight of that much big aircraft?
I don't think so. It's very difficult.
That's what you give the answer. यहाँ पे जब ओरिजिनली में प्रॉब्लम आता है ना, जब आप डी क्लास सिमुलेटर पे जाओगे जहाँ सिनेरियो देते हो तो आपके व्हील्स बाहर आ जाएंगे,
Okay.
इतने वेट आते हैं.
हाँ.
तो छोटा सा जॉयस्टिक में क्या वेट आएगा? विदाउट हाइड्रोलिक इट कांट वर्क. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी से कि अगर बोइंग का रहेंगे ना, तो अगर इमरजेंसीज है ना, बहुत हद तक वो लोग कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं.
Okay. Right.
ओके, gears down, pull it out and down.
There's
Flaps
down.
on 30.
Flaps for the side.
Landing speed 162.
Landing speed 162 set.
Ready?
Yes.
We are going down. 1000 foot. I'm going to give you one. That's the runway inside. That's not required. That's an auto.
Auto 30.
वो पायलट के लिए मैंडेटरी है, एक हाथ यहाँ. आपके लिए नहीं. After landing, reverse thrust.
Reverse thrust.
But remember, don't keep the yoke come up.
हाँ.
लैंड
तो-
करने के बाद फौरन छोड़ना नहीं, नहीं तो वो फिर ऊपर जाएगा और बलून बन कैसे गिरेगा.
हाँ. Stall.
So जब तक स्पीड थोड़ा डाउन नहीं होता है ना 130 120 तक, तब तक छोड़ना है. Because it's equivalent speed of landing and takeoff. और ये ऑटो जब रहेगा ना बहुत सेंसिटिव रहता है, थोड़ा सा पिच होगा वो करके देगा क्योंकि वो गो अराउंड सेंस करता है
राइट। इधर टोगा सेट है क्या? नहीं
है ना।
1,000.
रेडी? वो कितना स्मूथ जा रहा है जब तक छेड़ोगे ना।
हाँ राइट।
जैसे ही छेड़ दोगे वैसे ही हो जाएगा। You have to go little left. छेड़ा
हाँ थोड़ा
बस इतने पे रखो, बस ऊपर लेकर रखो, पकड़ के रखो, जाएगा।
Big right.
छोड़ो मत सेम टाइम छोड़ोगे ऊपर जाएगा। उसका स्पीड से कुछ लेना देना नहीं। लेफ्ट जाओ, रनवे इधर है,
Glide slope.
ऑफ रनवे।
ideally it would initiate a goal.
500.
No, just go down, keep it down, keep it down, keep it down, keep it hold down. Left, align with the runway, don't worry. It's big runway. Dubai is very big. 11 अभी इतना लेके आए ना, बस इतना पे पकड़ो बस, और ज़्यादा नहीं करना है, बस थोड़ा पकड़ कर रखो, छोड़ो मत सेम टाइम। राइट लिटिल, टू मच अप, राइट 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 राइट, गो डाउन लिटिल डाउन, राइट
Big right.
लिटिल अप, आराम से पहले जाओ, पहले लैंड करो। लेफ्ट
Approaching minimums.
लेफ्ट
40, 30, 10.
Keep the aircraft with rudder on the center line. Right rudder. Hold it. Right rudder. This won't go. सामने से aircraft आ
हाँ ये FSX है I think.
नहीं।
It was 60 knots.
Yeah, 60 knots. Reversals down. Take off कर लेगा।
How cool is that looking at that?
That's it. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
At least better than coming on a runway than going anywhere else. Just sit, I'll let you come in. Just sit. I'll set it up for you. Then we will go. FSX नहीं है ये। अभी आप देखोगे तब पता चलेगा FSX नहीं है वो। We don't use FSX. FSX is different.
क्योंकि उसके सारे जो टेक्सचर्स है ना, द एयरक्राफ्ट का लिवरी भी है, वो भी सिमिलर लग रहा था मेरे को।
वो ट्रैफिक वाला है, वो हो सकता है। अल्टीमेट ट्रैफिक आता है ना, उसका है। वी यूज दिस।
तो सिमिलर इसका हीथ्रो है। हाँ दिस इज
For us, this is required.
Yeah.
This is important
right.
because we use what we use is, I'll show you. So only for the software we pay around 20 lakhs.
Per year ना?
No, it is one time fee
अच्छा
because that works with all the switches and everything.
right.
I'll show you why.
Do you think if people, you know, are in an emergency situation, they'll be able to land a plane?
You think?
Manually, I don't think so. But maybe with autopilot, autoland and all, it is a possibility.
Impossible.
Even with autopilot? Sorry,
With
autoland?
autopilot, yeah. See, at home or anywhere, you know one thing is that you are in a home.
And
Nothing is going to happen.
yeah.
You will be safe.
Even here, the G forces are not there and all.
If it is with the motion one, ये जो लैंडिंग किया ना, उसमें आपको मालूम चल जाता वो क्या था।
हाँ, very rough.
वो जो एक्चुअल पटकता ना लाके ना तो पता चलता था। उसमें क्या होएगा, पटकने में सिर्फ पटकेगा तो कुछ नहीं होता है क्या, सिर्फ पब्लिक को ऐसा लगेगा नहीं, व्हील्स
हाँ,
क्रैक हो
it's-
जाएंगे, बॉडी क्रैक हो जाएगा, तो वो सब सिनेरियोज होता है ना उसमें।
Hmm.
So see here, this is academic license which is used for academic.
हाँ, right.
So इनको ना मैं एकदम early in the morning देता
हाँ,
हूँ।
prepare 3D है ना ये?
हाँ।
हाँ, right.
FSX is not a stable product.
क्रैश होता है वो.
बहुत क्रैश होता है. अभी आपको आना होगा आगे. 1 minute.
Just go back.
Mind your head.
थोड़ा बताएगा ना.
हाँ.
आपने उनका बनाया तो वो आपका बना.